The hotel owner taught me the secret to keeping the bathrooms always clean and scented. Once you start using this tip, you will never have a problem with cleaning your bathroom again. Very easy and practical. I'm sure the hotel owner actually used this mixture. The bathroom was simply impeccable in cleanliness. To start today's tip, we are going to use a lemon, ideally cutting small slices. The acidity contained in lemon is what makes this tip more effective than conventional products used daily. As soon as you cut the lemon, we will reserve it. Now in a container we will add 500 milliliters of detergent. Don't worry about the quantity, because this mixture goes a long way and you can use it for a long time. Then I will add 150 milliliters of disinfectant. You can put the aroma of your preference, which will bring the fragrant smell that your bathroom needs. Now we are going to mix very well. We are also going to add a tablespoon of baking soda. The degreasing action is what will directly help in removing stains. With this we will have our mixture ready. For ease of application and also product performance, we are going to use a bottle. Here I am using the same detergent for our mixture. The ideal then is to use the lemon slices that we cut previously. Just with the consistency of the product, we can already notice the difference from conventional products. To transfer the mixture to the bottle, I am going to use a funnel, directly avoiding waste of the mixture. Then you just have to cap the bottle and our product is ready for use. And before I forget, tell me which city you see us in so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug is for Oriana, from Italy. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. You will surely love this mix. I use it myself on all the items in my bathroom and even in the kitchen. After I started using this mixture, cleaning my house became more practical and easier. To apply, I place the product directly into the toilet. The amount of use is at your discretion. Just a small amount is enough. This product performs a lot. For scrubbing I just used my own toilet brush. I appreciate you watching this video this far. I hope you liked it and tell me the result you had at home. I'll see you in the next video.